introduce you to something you may have not tasted before, Pisco. It's a unique spirit that comes to us from Chile and Peru. And I think you're really gonna love it in this pineapple coconut Pisco sour cocktail. So let's shake this one up. Add 1.5 ounces of Pisco, 1 ounce of coconut liqueur, 1 ounce of lemon juice, add 1 egg white, or you could do an egg white substitute. Then we're gonna add 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Add some ice and give it a good shake until it's chilled. Then remove the ice and do a dry shake to get all the foam. Then strain into a cocktail glass. So come on, live a little and try something new. Our friends from South America and I invite you to this easy to make, refreshing cocktail. Queen Bee, approbata.